the Incognito tab in Microsoft Edge. Hey everyone, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva here with another video. In this updated video, I'll show you how to browse anonymously in Microsoft Edge, step by step. I'll demonstrate the entire process on a computer. Do you enjoy videos like this? There are other related videos on this channel. Subscribe and leave a like. I'm always making videos to help you out. I'll open Microsoft Edge down here. Now, I'll search for Microsoft Edge. Microsoft Edge will appear here. Just click it. To open the browser, how do I open an Incognito tab now? I'll click on these three dots up here. Click the third option, New in Private Window. Now you're browsing anonymously. Here's what private browsing does. It deletes your browsing info when you close the window. It saves collections and favorites, but not download history. It also prevents Bing searches from being linked to you. Here's what private browsing doesn't do. It doesn't hide your activity from school, work, or ISPs. These entities can still see what you search online. It doesn't offer extra tracking protection by default. It doesn't add more protection than normal browsing. You can browse privately, but with some limitations. To end, click the X to close the private browsing session. Did you follow that? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe for more tutorials. That's all for now. Take care and God bless. Thanks.